Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the sign-in flow won't fail. Make sure Windows is updated and your time, date, and region match your account. This avoids token errors. Once done, verify your internet and disable any work VPNs that block Microsoft endpoints. Then open Start, type Microsoft Store, and press Enter to launch the app. This takes you straight to the storefront where the profile and sign-in controls are visible. Now you're ready for account entry. You now sign in with your Microsoft account, click the profile icon and choose Sign In to open the credential prompt. Enter your email or phone, then your password. If you use two-factor, approve via the Microsoft Authenticator app or enter the SMS code when prompted. Make sure to select Stay Signed In only on personal devices. This saves repeated logins. If you don't have an account, choose Create One and follow the on-screen steps. The store then links purchases and subscriptions to that account. Finish by checking the profile icon shows your name and that sync settings and payment methods are correct. This ensures purchases and subscriptions appear across devices. To validate, install or update any small app. If it succeeds, your login and permissions are working. If you encounter errors, try the key troubleshooting step. Run WS Reset to clear the Microsoft Store cache, or go to Settings App's Microsoft Store Advanced Options and use Reset. That removes stale tokens without changing your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.